It's me. I'm back with another Mad Hatter bead going on here. Look at that one. This one's awesome, like pearl blue, and he's got these black and white stripes, like it's a mesh inside. The back side of it's just this awesome bluish color, pearlish blue. It looks incredible by itself, but then when you look at the front, it's got those trippy, meshy, swirls going on. These things are a lot of fun. They're a pain in the butt, but I mean, the results are amazing. I can't figure out an easier way to making them than the way I'm doing it right now, but because I've actually, I've tried it several different ways, and now I'm getting better success than I had been. I tried it about a year ago. So these are coming out pretty cool. And then this is the orange one that I did. And then, of course, the black one. All right, they're all up on fiddlebone.com. They're still available at the time of the filming of this video. So if you go to fiddlebone.com, check it out. Tell your friends. I mean, these things can be used for a lot of different things. What do you call it? Zipper pulls and paracord bracelets and paracord lanyards, keychains, and all that other kind of cool stuff. Jewelry. I've got a couple customers that make jewelry out of these. And yeah, they're awesome. I mean, I enjoy doing it, and I'm really happy that people like what I'm doing. So I'm going to keep on doing more. All right. So like, follow, share, all that stuff. Go over to what do you call that thing? Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. I do more updates on that, better pictures and stuff like that. All right. And then go over to fiddlebone.com. All right. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.